start again. It's a redskin.
So the question is, can we change the value of a tuple after declaration or not? We know that tuple is an immutable data type, which means we can't change the value of it after declaration. And we don't have any methods to modify these elements. And also we can't use the indexing concept to change a value. For example, here we have a value that is 23, and if I try to change it into 10 by using the indexing concept, then it will raise an error like t, and within parentheses if I pass the index of 23, that is 1, and then if I define the new value that is 10, then it will raise an error like this. But still we can change the value of a tuple after declaration if we embed some mutable property within it. So here we have stored a mutable list within this tuple, and we can't change the value of a tuple directly, but we can change the value of this list by accessing it. Like, to access it, we need to first access this list by the indexing concept. So the index of this list will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the index of this list is 4. So here we need to pass 4. And now we are in this list, and here I want to change this 2 into 10. To do that, we need to access this list, access this 2, and the index of 2 is 0, 1. So here we need to pass 1 within a square bracket like this, and now we can change this element. And now we want to print the updated value of this tuple t, and we also want to print the value of tuple before changing it, like print t. Now if I run this code, so note that here we have successfully changed the value of this list and also the value of this tuple. Now don't think that after changing it, it is going to create a new tuple at a different memory location. You can also check it like id of t before changing the value, and we will also print the id after changing it. So now if I run the code, now note that the id is same. So this is how we can change the value of a tuple after declaration. Now if you want to know why this is happening, then you can comment on this video. I will make a separate video where I will explain the explanation behind this. Now if you want to download the lecture notes, then you can join our Telegram channel. Link is in the description.